Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm your trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist for the analysis of other currency pairs. So let's get started. So this is the chart of Euro USD, and as you can see, I'm in the 4 hours time frame, my personal favorite and the most beloved time frame in the Forex world. And thanks to God, at last we have got some movements on Euro USD chart. Just today morning, I was thinking that if we do not get any movement on Euro USD chart, then again I'll have to make a video and again I'll have to say avoid Euro USD. It will be very boring. But thanks to God, we have got some movements. Okay, so let's do the analysis first. So if you look at the chart, then overall the uptrend is still there. There is no doubt that market is an uptrend. Okay, and as I always say, we should always follow the trend. Okay, always follow the trend, never go against the trend. And if you are beginner or if you're still learning, then never go against the trend, because if you go against the trend, then there are high possibilities that you will be trapped. Okay, your trade will get trapped and you will end up making loss. If you are an experienced trader, then you can afford to take trades against the trend. But if you are beginner, never go against the trend. So market is an uptrend, so first and foremost duty is to follow the trend. So we will only look for buying opportunity. Okay, and if I tell you to keep aside the uptrend part, okay, just forget about the uptrend part and just look at this particular portion. Okay, just forget about the uptrend part and just keep your eyes or just concentrate on this particular portion. What do you think? Do you still think that market is an uptrend? No, market is not in uptrend. Rather, market is in a range right now. Yes, overall market is an uptrend. There is no doubt about it. But right now, market is trading in a particular range, and this is the range. Okay, let me draw a red line here so that you can see better. Okay. So right now you can see that though market is an uptrend, but right now market is caught in a range. Market is just going up down in between this range. On the during the Friday session last week, market made a red candle but recovered subsequently. So this candle is not that important as of now. Okay, but overall the market is in a range. Okay, so this is it. And if we just look at the weekly time frame, you know I'm a fan of multi time frame analysis. I love to see what the big boys are doing. So if we look at the multi time frame analysis, we get the same picture. Market is an uptrend, but right now market is facing some selling pressure from above, because see, this is the candle from the third week of Feb. Okay, just look at this candle, and this candle made a high of 1.2260, this figure. And whenever market is trying to cross this level, market is facing resistance. So market is unable to cross the resistance. And we can see that for the last 4 weeks, for the last 3-4 weeks, market is struggling, but market is unable to cross the resistance. So we have a strong resistance, 1.2260. Okay, so this is the analysis of Euro USD chart. Now let's jump to the strategy part. Let me drink some water. So this black line, okay, this black line is the resistance. So at first, let's discuss the trading opportunity number one. Our first trading opportunity will be if market crosses this level, 1.2260 level. If market crosses this level, then we will get the first trading opportunity. Okay, so if market crosses this resistance, then we will have to observe the market for 4 to 6 hours, because see, I have already mentioned that this resistance is extremely crucial. Therefore our job is to observe the market for 4 to 6 hours and just see whether market is trading comfortably or not. If you see that after 4 to 6 hours market is trading comfortably, the price is not struggling, then you'll get the confirmation that yes, the resistance has become the support now, and you can go for buy order above this line. above this resistance. Because if you have watched my previous videos, then you know it pretty well that I always focus on the area of value. Area of value is nothing but the best trading opportunity or the best trading spot. In an uptrend market, the area of value is always near the support. Or in simple words, in an uptrend market, the best trading opportunity is always near the support. And in a downtrend market, the best shorting opportunity is near the resistance. Euro USD is in overall uptrend, so we will only look for buying opportunity. Therefore, our area of value is always near the support. So if market crosses this level 1.2260 level, and the resistance will become support, and we will get our first trading opportunity. Okay, so this is our trading opportunity number 1. And our second trading opportunity here is, you can see that I have also drawn a red line here. Okay, yes, this is a trend line here, but see, this you may think that the trend line is not perfect. To be very honest, trend lines are never perfect. In actual market, trend lines are like this only. Okay, but still we can follow that market is somewhat following a trend line. And after this fall also and this also, we can see that market is getting some support, and market is trying to go up. So market is in this trend line only. Okay. So our second trading opportunity is this trend line. And seeing the present condition of the market, it seems that market is trying to take support at the trend line. Okay, so if market successfully takes support at this trend line, then also we can go for a buy order. But do remember, trend lines are these dynamic supports, okay, or especially these trend lines are not that strong. If you ask me personally, Avilash, what do you do? Personally, I'm not a big fan of trend lines. Okay, honest confession. Okay, so if you ask me, Avilash, what should I do? Then I'll say that go for Euro USD only above this level. Okay, only above this level. This will be your safe bet. Otherwise, see, this is your second trading opportunity undoubtedly. Okay, there is a possibility that market will be taking support at this particular point and market will go up. If you want to take some risk, okay, if you have the guts to take the risk, you can go for it. Okay, but if you have limited amount of money and the amount of money that you cannot afford to lose, then this is not your ideal position. You should not go for buy order. You should only wait for market to cross this level, then only you should go for a buy order. Because see, if you are, suppose you are a student, you cannot afford to take risk and you only need safe trades, then this chart is not for you. Wait for the market to cross this level, then only you should go for buy order. Otherwise, if you can afford to take some risk, okay, wait for some time and see. If market takes support and bounces from here, then you can go for buy order, and this will be your target. And this level is, wait, let me show you. Your target will be 2230 level. Okay, around 20 30 pips. This will be your first target. Okay, so if you are a safe trader, wait for the market to cross this resistance. If you want to take risk, you can go for a buy order here. See, my point is simple. If you cannot afford to take risk, or if you need to trade on safe charts only, then this chart is not for you. Because see, there are multiple trading opportunities. For example, look at this chart. See, you should trade on charts like this instead of chart like Euro USD. Okay, undoubtedly Euro USD is very popular, the best currency pair where there is volume. But see, your main motive is to earn money. If you so why do you want to take risk on a chart like this when you have got a chart like gold USD? Just now I showed you. Okay, and personally I was also long on gold USD. Okay, so this is it. Hopefully you have understood. If you have liked the video and found the video informative, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care.